I am Nitish Kumar Bugalia. I am Head of Product and Strategy at MyTeam11. I look after pretty much all the technical aspects of it. The MyTeam11 was started in 2016, and Vineet and Sanjeet, who are both the co-founders, it was started just out of the sheer frustration that comes when India loses in a game. So India, I think, lost to Australia in the 2015 World Cup semi-final, and that's when they both of them were watching the TV together, and they looked and they saw that India lost, and they were like, there must be some way to make this sport more exciting, where I don't care who wins or who loses. I just want to create the best team. We were operating out of data centers based in North India. Last year, April 23rd, middle of the IPL season, Sunrisers and Chennai were playing. That was like the really trigger point that no, we really get to take control of our destiny. So that's when we reached out to AWS proactively. When we started on our journey there, the experience was phenomenal. The plethora of services, the customer-centric approach, the agility of doing things with just simple clicks of the button was very, very, very empowering. AWS has allowed us to test our theories, test our hypothesis with minimal to almost no cost. Because of pay-as-you-use model, the cost of trying out new things is so low that you can experiment a lot of things simultaneously. And so that's a huge boost to the business, because I can test out, say, 10 different features in the market simultaneously and know which one to choose from and which one to go ahead full steam with. We have definitely reduced a lot of tech cost. So that's, for a bootstrap organization, every penny saved is really like a penny earned. So we have saved more than 50% in tech costs alone in the past 1 year in just infrastructures, with much better resiliency, with much better scale as compared to year before. Our speed of launching new features in the market at this point is still on the lower side, but still we are doing tremendously better, as in we were doing 2 to 3 production releases a week. Now we do 2 to 3 a day. Those strategies are really bringing in rewards. Just in terms of revenue alone, we have grown 220% as compared to last year. Those are the numbers that we really look after. Like as a bootstrap organization, we look to acquire more paying customers. With technology not being a roadblock anymore, we are focused more on the strategy and the business side of it, and we are all committed to grow that.